It's an early spring downpour. What a mini that's going to come our way. When we moved into our property, I was happy with the relatively flat and level landscape. But in a heavy downpour, the water has no place to go. It sits and creates a muddy swamp for several days till the water runs off. We put in a perforated drainage pipe running it from the backyard to the front driveway. But the 4-inch drain pipe is just not big enough to slough off the water. I've seen some other experts put in 2 drain pipes, one perforated and another solid, to move the water quickly from the farthest point, and the perforated to pick up water along the way. Well, this year, with the lawn as big a mess as it is with the ducks, we're going to need to do this right. Versailles wasn't built in a day. Actually, it took 33 years to take it from a hunting lodge to what it is today, and I believe 30,000 men of the Grande Armée. And of course, it bankrupted a country. Well, here's the drainage at the greenhouse. I'm waiting for the ground to thaw, whatever I can tie into later this summer. Let's see what the wifey is up to in the greenhouse.
Ducky water.
Rich ducky water? Isn't that too much water? It's raining outside.
Well, they're not getting it. They're inside here. What's that inside me? I haven't watered this.
Is there a drain?
Yeah, there's holes.
Okay. Wow, listen to the rain.
Look at all these things. I already cut them twice to feed the ducks.
How about feeding the humans?
This is an English, not lavender, violet. The ones around here don't have a smell. Oh, delicate. Throw that on the property and hopefully it will take off.